Here's a tutorial using Sony Vegas Pro version 13 related to crossfading video files, how to do a manual crossfade and how to do an automatic crossfade. First of all, let's bring in at least two videos here onto the timeline. Okay, and zoom out with the scroll wheel of the mouse. So this is the second clip and this is the first clip. And to make a crossfade, zoom in with the scroll wheel. To make a crossfade, simply drag one video clip onto the other and notice that in this area there's a crossfade. Crossfade, or with another word, this clip on the left is starting to fade out. This is the fade out, and this clip on the right is starting to fade in. So the right clip is getting visible and the left clip is getting not visible. Okay, so crossfade is added automatically both to the video track and to the audio track. That's done simply by dragging one clip onto the other. Okay, crossfading might not work if this option here, which is called automatic crossfades, Ctrl+Shift+X is the hotkey. If that one, automatic crossfades, is disabled like it's now, and if it's disabled, notice that I'm pulling one clip onto the other but nothing happens. So if I preview this one clip disappears and the other appears instantly. Okay, but if I drag it to the right, enable automatic crossfades, and now drag it over. Now if I play it, now it will be a smooth transition between the two once again, so it's much more smoother. And if you bring it more to the left, then of course the transition is longer. If you bring it to the right, then the transition is shorter. Okay, so that's the manual crossfading. Let's open a new project, don't save this one, and now let's bring in many more video files, let's say that many, and let's say that I want to crossfade each and every clip, and I don't want to do this process manually like so. So how to do an automatic crossfade? To do an automatic crossfade, you have to empty the list again, don't save this one. Now go to the menu up here and options, preferences and editing. Options, preferences and editing. And here we have automatically overlap multiple selected media when added. Check that one, and from here you can modify the length of that transition, of that crossfading, currently set to 1 second. Okay, and make sure this one is also checked because otherwise it won't work. And now if I bring in those many files, drop them onto the timeline, then if I zoom in, I can see that there is already a crossfade. There's a crossfade, there's a crossfade, and there's a crossfade. Okay, and that was done automatically. Okay, that's how to do automatic crossfades and manual crossfades in Sony Vegas Pro. Thanks for watching and bye bye.